How is soil formed? Do you know that the soil we see today took thousands of years to form? The soil came from rocks that have been broken into pieces and have combined with water and the remains of animals and plants. Soil may be formed by the gradual breaking of a large mass of rock. As the rock is broken, layers of different colors and textures are formed. These layers are called horizons. A soil profile is the vertical section of all the horizons that make up the soil. It has 3 layers. These layers are the topsoil, the subsoil, and the bedrock. The uppermost layer of soil is the topsoil. It is composed of sand, clay, loam, and other materials. The topsoil is the best soil for plants. It is rich in nutrients needed by plants. Because the particles are loose, the roots of plants can grow very well. Next to the topsoil is another layer called subsoil. This layer is made up of pebbles, sand, and a lot of clay. It can also be hard and compact. Because it has little or no humus, it lacks the nutrients that plants need to grow. Below the subsoil is the bedrock layer. It is a hard layer made up of bigger rocks. It supports the subsoil and the topsoil. As stated earlier, soil is the loose material found on the Earth's surface. It is made of particles that differ in size. Because of this, soil is often described by its texture. There are 3 basic soil types according to texture: sand, clay, and loam. Sand is rough soil. It can be light or dark in color. The grains of sand easily separate from each other, especially when dry. There are plenty of spaces between sand particles. This is why sand cannot hold much water. Sand is a good material for making concrete. Clay is made up of very fine particles. It is often brownish in color. Clay particles can come very close together. Because of this, clay is able to hold the most amount of water among the 3 types of soil. Clay is very sticky when wet, but it becomes hard when it dries. Clay is used in making pots, jars, and figurines. Loam is soil that contains humus. Humus comes from decaying leaves, branches, plants, and animals. Humus makes the soil fertile. This explains why loam is good for gardening. Loam appears dark because of the presence of humus. Soil is very important to us. Plants serve as food for animals and people. Most plants depend on soil for growth. People need shelter and comfortable places to work. Construction workers use sand mixed with gravel and cement to prepare concrete. The use of concrete enables us to build stronger houses and buildings. Sand is also used in making glass and sandpaper. Since clay can become sticky when wet, it is easy to mold it into desired shapes. Did you learn a lot today? Let's see how well you've learned the lesson for today. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Excellent. This concludes our lesson. Until next time.